Welcome to On the Money, the video series where Wilkins Miller experts share updates, tools, and tips to help your business achieve more. Hi, my name is Katherine Quackenbush. I'm a consultant with the Outsource Accounting Department. I help clients with their day-to-day accounting activities so they can focus on running their business. Today we will discuss the updated laws for 1099-Ks for PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, and Cash App. It's important to remember that these are not new laws, just the threshold reporting requirements have changed. Previously, these companies were required to report anything over $20,000 with 200 or more transactions. Now, the requirement is lowered to be a single transaction of $600 or more. It's worth noting that credit card companies issue a 1099-K for every transaction purchased with their card. The IRS is trying to keep up with the evolving technology. These reporting requirements have been for business transactions only. Friends and family payments will not automatically trigger a 1099-K to be sent. In this video, I'm going to discuss how 4 of the most popular apps handle 1099-Ks. Let's start with PayPal. PayPal has both business and personal accounts. If you mark your transaction as for goods or services, a 1099-K will be issued if they meet the threshold. If you do not mark it for goods or services, no 1099-K will be issued. Venmo is owned by PayPal, so their systems are very similar. For business accounts, the transactions are automatically marked as for goods or services, so a 1099-K will be issued. For personal accounts, you must mark the transaction as for goods or services if you would like a 1099-K to be sent. Up next is Cash App. If you have a personal account, no 1099-Ks will be issued. For business accounts, all transactions will be issued a 1099-K. Therefore, you should avoid using your business account for personal transactions. Businesses can be recognized by a green building next to the business's name in the app. The last app we're going to discuss is Zelle. According to Zelle, they are exempt from this law. They do not hold funds for anyone, so they do not issue any 1099-Ks. Zelle operates more like an ACH, which is bank to bank. Just like if you had paid a vendor via ACH, you'd be required to send your own 1099 for all business transactions. In short, if you're using your personal account to send money to friends and family, you have nothing to worry about. The big takeaway is business owners should be using business accounts and marking transactions as for goods or services as needed. Remember, as a business owner, you are responsible for making sure your vendors receive a 1099. We also recommend you keep the invoice for the service for 3 years after the related tax return is filed. As always, you're required to report all income, whether you receive a 1099 or not. Hopefully these tips will help avoid any confusion at the end of the year. If you do have any questions related to 1099-Ks, please feel free to contact our office. And that was On the Money.